Tumirik na naman. Ano ba yan? Once ko lang gagawin tong maarteng lakad nito. Ano ba naman yan, Krish? Late na tayo, nandun na sila. Kainis naman eh.
Sorry naman, hindi ko naman alam na ngayon siya titirik.
So, paano gagawin natin ngayon?
Ayun o, may nagja-jogging. Kuya, excuse me. Excuse me.
Wow! Chicks!
Excuse me, kuya. Kuya.
Ew.
What's wrong with my hands? Stop.
Shit! Ano ba naman itong
Ayan.
sakyan mo? Ano ba naman yan, Krish? Late na tayo.
Baba. Putik.
Galit na siya mga. Hindi ba ba't? Kasi akala ko kaganong ka. Ay, shucks. Shucks. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow! Chicks!
1, 2, 3, go.
Wow! Chicks!
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la